Constipation is one of the most common medical conditions in the world. Natural remedies may be the best choice to long-term relief and prevention. Do your bowels freeze up when you think about traveling? Or do you swell up and go days without a bowel movement depending on what you eat? If you familiarize yourself with these situations, you may find out it's more common than you think. Constipation, or infrequent bowel movements, happens when bowel movements become difficult or spread out over time. It may seem simple, but intestinal constipation is still taboo for most people, and it's hard for them to tell when they have a problem. It's more common in women, but it can affect both sexes. Constipation should be seen as something serious and worthy of a permanent solution. If you research it a little, you'll learn that it can have several causes, such as what you eat, not ingesting enough fiber or water, smoking or drinking, bad lifestyle habits, and even emotional issues, such as anxiety and stress. All of these factors are parts of the same equations, your intestinal health. The good news is that constipation can be treated with a natural home remedy. It's a drink made from lemon and chia. Chia seeds have large quantities of vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. Recent studies show that the soluble and insoluble fibers present in chia seeds are great at fighting constipation. The insoluble fibers are necessary to start the intestinal movements, and clean out your system. The soluble fibers absorb water, dilate the intestine and get rid of the residue in the best way. The lemon, on the other hand, irritates the intestine's mucus and stimulates the intestinal movement in order to empty your bowels. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of pure water. Instructions: add the chia seeds to the water and let them soak for 2 hours. Once the time is up, strain it and blend the seeds with the honey and lemon for a few minutes, then drink it. The chia seeds are most efficient when they absorb water, so it's very important to drink water throughout the day. Since constipation can be caused by other health problems, you should get a specialized diagnosis in order to get proper treatment, if you don't see improvement after using this remedy for a few days.